Hello folks. Hey, you guys ever have this problem with a cigarette lighter? It doesn't have to be on this particular model. This is a Toyota Venza 2012. And the problem is that your cigarette lighter, the way they invented it, is that it's basically just a clip on the top and a clip on the bottom and holds it. But then from being used a lot, the thing will pop out and it won't stay in no more because the plastic piece here is broken. The little retainer that it's on, it's no longer there no more. So you know what? A little trick to hold it in. I was thinking of maybe putting a tie wrap in the back, but then it's plastic. It'll just slide right out, and we'd be back to square one. So I'm going to show you a trick. You know what we're going to do? We're going to put a clamp on it in the back. So in this particular model, this panel comes right out with the little plastic pry bars that you buy. Okay, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 clips, and you pop them out. And once you pop them out, you got 2 electrical connectors back here for the seat heaters, and then this whole assembly will come out. But this is what we're looking at. We're looking back there. Okay, let me get a light. I had a light here. Here it is. I unplugged it already, but you see right there where that plug goes in? If I was to put something in there to hold it, it's going to pull right back out again. So the concept is we're going to put a nice hose clamp around that cigarette lighter, and that's going to hold it in. So let's take it out. Okay, that's the part. Okay, and I'm going to take a nice, it's like a 3/4 inch hose clamp. I'm going to slide it through here. Okay, I'm going to slide it through here and then plug it in. Then I'm going to tighten up this clamp. So basically, I'm going to stick through the cigarette lighter through the hole first, put the clamp on next, okay, and then plug it in. But in this particular model, I'm going to have to pull the plug out halfway through the hole, plug it in, stick this whole assembly back in with the clamp. And basically, the console is going to sit right after this plastic. So the console is going to sit right here in this gap, and this hose clamp is going to block it in just like that. So this head of this clamp will probably butt up against the console, and it should hold it. I don't think it's going to tilt, but we're going to have to try it because there's no other way to secure this thing back in that hole. So this will work on anywhere that you have a cigarette lighter, whether it's in a dashboard or whatever. If you have room to put a clamp on it, this is the way to go. All right, so like I said, I'm going to get the wire, put this wire through it, and then I'm going to plug it in. So let me see if I can set that up for you so you can see what that looks like. All right, so I fished it through the hole. I put the clamp over the harness, so it's down there. And we plugged it in. So now, with this nice little magnet here, okay, we are going to grab that clamp head and we're going to drag it up the wire like that. See it? And I'm going to wrap it around and work our way around. See it? Get the concept right because I need my other hand here. But yeah, I'm going to take this through here like that. I'm going to put it around that cigarette lighter and tighten it up. All right, I'm going to set that up for you so you can see it. But yeah, you definitely need a little magnet because once that clamp goes down there, it goes all the way down there. You're not going to be able to retrieve it. Ask me how I know. Okay, let's go. Rock and roll. Let's do it. Okay, as you can tell, I can push it through here, and that's where the it's going to clamp onto. All right, let's do it. All right, so after some finagling and holding it on this side, and oh my God, but there it is. Okay, the clamp is supporting it on the back side, and it is good to go. All right, there it is. No more coming out of the wall, because that was a pain in the butt. And if it unplugged, it's even worse, because then you can't get to the plug on the other side. All right, let's see. We'll plug it in. That's what it says. It's 14%. All right, so it's charging. It's good. It's working. Let's put the panel back together, and we are good to go. Look at this Fugazi setup that I made. I'm gonna make sure that the socket was not gonna fall into the console. Otherwise, that's gonna be rough to get out. Then you got that little magnet to retrieve it when it rides down the wire. A little screwdriver to hold it, and of course, my little plastic covers. See that? Good to go. Alrighty, let's slap this little bad boy together, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching.